Hi, and welcome to the ACES Centre. This is the Unit of Competency FNSA CCT 502B. Preparing income tax returns. This unit of competency will assess the following elements: gather and verify data, calculate taxable income, and review compliance. Element 1. Gather and verify data. This will assess the following performance criteria. Current data on assessable income and allowable deductions are gathered from appropriate sources. Valuations are made, recorded and disclosed in accordance with business policies and procedures. Discrepancies, unusual features or queries are identified, resolved or referred to the appropriate authority. Accrued or prepaid income and expenditure is identified and adjustments to the value of assets and liabilities are recorded. Element 2. Calculate taxable income. This will assess the following performance criteria. Liabilities for tax are calculated in accordance with current legislation and revenue gathering practices. Relevant source documentation is identified correctly. Tax returns, statements, and claims take full advantage of available benefits and allowances in accordance with statutory requirements. Returns are prepared within established timelines. Element 3. Review compliance. This will assess the following performance criteria. Relevant returns are submitted to appropriate authorities within stated deadlines. Current obligations are fulfilled and advice from taxation authorities followed and reported in accordance with statutory requirements. Statements give a clear indication of impact of taxation on individual. Tax office inquiries and income tax audit requirements are met. The required knowledge for this unit of competency is as follows: income tax legislation, state and federal government taxes and charges, options, methods and practices for deductions, benefits and depreciation, ethical considerations for the handling of returns, for example conflict of interests, confidentiality, and disclosure requirements. The required skills for this unit of competency are as follows: recording, gathering and consolidating financial information, researching and identifying legislation and rulings applicable to income taxation, information technology, use for the setup and analysis of spreadsheets, planning skills for timetabling and scheduling reports and lodgements, numeracy skills to collate and present data, graphs, and related references, communication skills to follow complex oral instructions when using technology, listen to and interpret complex sequenced instructions, keyboarding skills, the ability to relate to people from a range of social, cultural, and ethnic backgrounds and physical and mental abilities. This is the end of the relevant information for this unit of competency. Thank you.